Well, hello there guys, welcome to another episode of On a High, and today we're doing a special episode on the biggest upsets in cricket history, and this is only and only dedicated to India and Afghanistan for being able to knock Australia out of the World Cup. Woohoo! India playing England in the semi-finals on Thursday the 27th of June. Please cheer for India, and well, let's go right into our three biggest upsets. Number 3, we have a really special one, and this one is fresh in our memories because it was in the 2011 World Cup, the World Cup that India won. This was Ireland versus England, the special game with the brothers Niall and Kevin O'Brien. They took the game away, so the first innings was nothing short of amazing for England because they scored 327 and 50 overs during the 2011 World Cup is really good. We had Jonathan Trott scoring a 90, Ian Bell scoring an 80, and Kevin Peterson scoring 50. This was a great total for England, and I'm sure they were quite confident. In came the Ireland batsmen. We had the captain now, back then Paul Stirling, giving them a great start, 32 of 29, and after that came a collapse. They were 111 for 5 when the man Kevin O'Brien comes out and scores the fastest ever century in a World Cup. This was miraculous. Ireland fans, Ireland people all over the world couldn't believe it. It was the best 100 we've seen in a World Cup because they ended up winning the game and chasing. Even though he got out in the second last over, they managed to get over the line because he scored a blistering 113 of 63 balls. Yes, you heard me right. That is more than a T20 innings in many games. So yes, that is our number 3 biggest upset. At number 2 in cricket's biggest upsets, we have India versus Bangladesh in the 2007 World Cup. This was the ODI World Cup, mind you, because we won the T20 World Cup that year. But the ODI World Cup went quite poorly for us. We started with Sourav Ganguly scoring 66 of 129 balls. That is absurd. But he didn't have support from anyone in the team except Yuvraj, who later came in and scored a decently quick 47 of 58 balls. Now, this got us barely to 191, and Bangladesh were in the driving seat, but not just driving, they have actually crossed the finish line and won this game. It was a dark day in Indian cricket history because Bangladesh really made that an easy chase, if I may say. We had Tamim Iqbal, Shakib Al Hasan, and Mushfiqur Rahim scoring 50s each. These are all 3 legends of the game for Bangladesh, and they were part of this big upset that gave Bangladesh the confidence to be at the position that they are in right now, which is qualified for the Super 8s in 2024, by the way. Well, that was our number 2, and at number 1 we have something very special. So Pakistan losing to the USA this World Cup in 2024. Pakistan batted first, and Babar Azam scored a very slow 44 of 43 balls. Shadab Khan came in the end, assisted his team with a 40 of 25 to get them to 159 for 7. I must tell you guys that 159 for 7 is a great total in these conditions. Indian origin Monank Patel, captain of the USA, came out with this flare in his eyes. I must tell you guys, he looks like young Virat Kohli when he bats. Just notice that and let me know in the comments, please. But he came out, scored 50 of 37. That is what propelled his team to be in a position for Aaron Jones. Yes, the man who is in great form, Aaron Jones, coming and scoring 36 of 26, and this just somehow got them to a super over. Yes, a super over. It doesn't get more exciting than that. We had Pakistan giving the biggest mistake, overthrows, wides, extras, boundaries. It was like Pakistan tried to push them to 18. Yeah, 18 runs in the super over to win is nearly impossible. In came Saurabh Netravalkar. This name has been resonating in the minds of Indians, US citizens, everywhere all around the world because this man is proving to be better than even Sharma ji ka beta. He has literally showed how you can play cricket for your country and go back home and work on your laptop and manage your job. Wow, I just can't even get into all the things he does. This man came in, bowled a clutch super over, leading to the biggest upset in cricket history, USA beating Pakistan. Well, that was cricket's biggest upsets on a high. Please go like, share and subscribe. Go comment down and let me know what you think I might have missed out and what you would want me to show you next time. Thank you. This was your boy Rohan on 94.3 Radio 1 International.
94.3
One World, your station.
Radio 1.